Where are you?
Recess. They told me recess.
Okay. Come closer, sir. Excellency.
Yes.
I am Henry Mora, report for Bank. Sir, your party has just conducted its primary and your presidential candidate has emerged. Are you satisfied with the primaries? And two, sir,
No, let me answer
against
one.
the backdrop
No.
that you were...
Let me answer first now.
Okay. Yes.
Abi? But you told me recess.
One by one, sir.
Well, I'm very satisfied with the primary. Without that kind of primary, possibly, there could have been a lot of factions getting up of the APC. But today, because the primary was very transparent, very open, people voted one by one. Although my own group, we were not ready for primary. We were ready for consensus. And but when it came suddenly, we have to match it. I'm very happy that at all end, APC won. The winner was APC, and we won and won resoundingly. Yes.
Yes, as a follow-up, sir. Yes, just as you said, you had a group that you were a front runner of that particular group.
Yes.
Sir, now that the primary has been conducted, what is the next for you, especially you and the Southeast?
No, the next is to work for the APC. I work for the APC candidate. We have no alternative. I'm a party man. I'm sure most of you here knows that I'm a very strong party man. I don't shy away from issues. Now, the way I fought for Ahmed Lawa is the way I will fight for Ahmed Bola Tinubu. So it's the same thing. Me, I'm a party man. If I disagree, I disagree. If I agree, I agree. So the most important thing now, I've agreed that Bola Tinubu won, and the whole APC agreed. There's no doubt. Nobody is in doubt about the winning. And when there's no doubt about the winning, we all have to go to the field. And I pray that my constituency and the Southeast will give us that belief. What they did for Mohamed Buhari in my constituency, which gave him 68%. I hope they will be able to give APC the same number of votes.
So my name is Toxic Jimba, report for Azor Radio Television.
Yes.
Any message from the president who ensured a level playing ground for aspirants?
Well, I told people that they don't know Mohamed Buhari. He's not going to take sides at the final game. And that was what happened. And just everybody should go and try his luck. And they tried their luck. And the message is that it is good for Nigerian president and Nigerian leaders not to take sides. It helps democracy. Not only Nigerian leaders, it also helps for governors not to take sides. Because I have seen, when I was governor, I ensured that my own candidate won. But the result was good that I won. But the whole thing, there were a lot of rancor. So it's always good to allow democracy a chance to prevail.
So there is the race for vice presidency of your party is on right now.
Why? Why is it on?
What options are available for your candidate, Bola Tinubu, to choose from?
And the Muslim
Well, listen. Do you want me to speak the truth?
Yes.
If I am enamored Bola Tinubu's situation, the wife is a senior pastor in a Pentecostal church, I will go Muslim ticket. The most important thing is for the party to win. It's not, we should stop all this rubbish about whether you put a Christian there. After all, if we win, already the wife is a pastor that have been living for over 50-something years together. I've known them this far. So why do you want to blame about, she's already like a deputy president? If I'm to say, I'm a Catholic. I'm saying my opinion. This is Orji Kalu's opinion. You cannot deny me my opinion. But you can also play Christian ticket, depending on the scenario. Because if we don't play Muslim, we're in trouble. We will not win it will be most difficult to win the election. Because the only thing left for Ahmed Tinubu today is to play Muslim. I know that the church I go to, the Catholic secretary might condemn it, so it's not good to. What is wrong with Muslim tickets? I don't see anything.
Is anything wrong
In
with
my eye,
Christian
there's nothing wrong with Christian tickets. Also, it depends on the condition. The condition we found ourselves today, that you cannot play two minorities. Tinubu is a minority Muslim from the south, and if you put a Christian from the north, is a minority Christian from the north. You cannot play two minorities.
So the thinking
It is difficult. No, listen. What I am telling you is sincerely from my mind. It's not the position of our party. This Orji Kalu's position. I sit with Ahmed Tinubu's wife in the Senate, and the wife is a pastor. So there's nothing wrong with that. They've been married, and moreover, I've known Tinubu for a very long time. He's not a man who preaches Christian and Muslim. He's a man who goes with everybody who can do the work. So for me, the issue of is a Christian, I know that most Christians will be hurt what I'm saying, but putting a Christian will not make him to be a best president, or picking a Muslim will not make him. It's his conscience. Conscience is a wound. Only the truth can heal it.
So you don't think that a Muslim ticket means that Tinubu is putting his faith too much in the hands of the North against his own South?
And Northerners, are they not Nigerians? Are they not Nigerians? No, I ask you, answer me. Are they not Nigerians?
They are Nigerians, the Southerners are Nigerians as well.
Last question.
Looking at the level with which they have elevated religion, that's what's making people to agitate. Before, nobody thought when we had Abiola and Kingibe, nobody bothered. But today, Nigeria has elevated religion to another level.
No, let me tell you. It's you Nigerians doing religion. Let me tell you. In my house, my wife is the head of the house. In reality, even you men that are here, you might deny that your wife is not the head. They are the head. Like if I wear this clothes now, my wife will tell me, please, my dear, come. This cloth is not good. Remove it. You say, no, I don't want. You finally you remove it. Your wife will tell you today you're supposed to eat akara and akamu. Whether you argue with her to the Greek, you must take that akamu. And your wife wants you to pay children's school fees. Whether you argue or not, they are the head of the family. The Christians should relax, because Tinubu's wife is a pastor. And once is a pastor, we are protected, because she's not a housewife. She has political knowledge. She's in the Senate. So when I say this, I say it all about of, you people will come and say, oh, I'm a houseboy to the Northerners. I'm not a houseboy to anybody. I don't fear anybody. If the president is a Northerner, a Westerner, I will tell him the truth. Because I've reached a stage in life where nobody fits me. I don't need to talk to anybody to be comfortable. No. I'm not even afraid of death. So when I speak the truth. And that is the truth.
Thank you so much. Thank you.